Chat GPT just released a code interpreter beta. They've removed the Bing browsing beta and they've added a code interpreter beta, which is very interesting. So what this does apparently is let you actually like run and debug Python code all within ChatGPT. So if you have ChatGPT Plus, and you probably won't see this initially, you'll have to enable it. You scroll down to your settings, or you click on your profile name, go into settings, beta features, and you'll turn it on here, just like how you would have turned on plugins. So let's try it out. Yo, Nick and Miles, what's going on? I'm trying out ChatGPT's new code interpreter plugin, and then I'll be doing ChatGPT functions and a bunch of other tools. But yeah, did I get a haircut? A while ago I did. I've been putting some like oil in my hair. That's maybe why it looks different, but yeah, thanks for noticing. So yeah, I think this can run and debug Python code. So I don't know. I actually don't know how to use it. We'll figure it out, I guess. Should we look at... So I'm a bit hesitant to just jump straight into it because of this cap. I still don't know why we have this GPT-4 cap when, like, I have access to the API now, so I should be able to message it infinitely, but I'm still capped on their UI, which is pretty annoying. So okay, so before we jump into it, I'll just do some research on Google on ChatGPT code interpreter and see how people are using it, get some ideas, etc. Yeah, I don't know, like they just randomly released it. I had no hype about, I hadn't heard nothing about it. Let's look at this article. How ChatGPT saved this person hours of work. So they released it 4 days ago. Enable it. All right, let's start. So they've asked it, write a Python code that visualizes a world map and mark countries with dot size where it's proportional to the population of the country. Wow, that's pretty sophisticated. Oh, you can also upload data sets. That's pretty cool. And then you can start by reading the data set. Okay, then ChatGPT asks for country locations. We will use GeoPandas library. Doesn't provide geographic information. So they uploaded the country coordinates. Okay. Functions. Oh, is functions not out yet? Oh no, I thought it was out. Let's have a look. I thought it was out. Function calling. How to use. Yeah, so you just use it within their. This is like the npm package. Oh no, it's a different one. What? Function calling can now describe functions to GPT-4. Oh, this is the functions? This isn't not what I expected. Like send email and get current weather. Huh. I think I'll need to do a bunch of research on that once it comes to it. You know what? I'm going to do this example that I've been doing with all these tools, and that's to get these agents to create a snake game. So let's see. Yo, I got a message on YouTube from Starlight because they try to slow the release of functions. Oh, okay. So it's like they don't release it to everyone. I wasn't aware of that. I thought it was publicly available now. Yo, thanks for the share, Nick. Yo, Duruk, hi, welcome. All right, so let's ask ChatGPT if we can make a Python game. I mean, yeah, make a Python game of Snake. Really simple. Let's see what it does. We can't run and show you the graphics. That's fine. I'll be able to run it. Oh, actually, that's a thing. So the code interpreter can run and debug code, but for something with a graphical user interface, I don't think it's able to determine whether it works or not. So we should probably give it a task that is text-based. Okay. Here's something I have some data. Yo, we got some messages on TikTok. Did my sub finally work? Yes, Fireteller, it did. It came through last stream. Thank you so much. You're my first sub. I really appreciate that. See, you got the friend badge now too. So cool. Dork, I'm doing well, thank you. Nick says, have any tools been able to make the snake game yet? No, they haven't, but I haven't. So I don't know if you were here during the stream where I did E2B. E2B, I gave it something simple, which was the background color changing task, and it did it first try. So it might be able to do the snake game as well. But yeah, I'll have to test it out later. Yeah. So far nothing's made the snake game. I mean, this could work. Should we try this? Would this work? Do you think this would work, guys? Curses, get one, no. I don't know, it looks a bit too simple in my opinion. Okay. Let's do like, it seems like it'll be good with data processing. So I have a Google Sheets account. I have my 2023 spending. I don't know if I should be showing this publicly, but I have like all my expenditure, I think, in 2023 that's over like $10. So I want to be able to say like, can it create categories of... So if I just downloaded that in a CSV, I'm going to create a new thread with Chat GPT here with the code interpreter. I'm going to upload this file and I'm going to be like categorize and sum the create categories and total debit sums from this list of transactions. I don't know, if I do that, what would it do? Oh, it's working. So this is actually, oh, sick. So it wrote Python code to read the file, and then it ran the Python code. And this output doesn't look too good. Oh, it's just displaying the head. Okay, that's fine. Next, we'll go through the transactions by their descriptions and calculate the total debit for each category. How did it... This didn't pick the categories. Did it? No. This list is quite long. If you're looking for specific categories or a shorter summary. Oh, this is the output. So what did it do? Drop the rows where debit is not a number. Group by description and calculate the sum. Okay, so it didn't really do any smarts. What the hell? Could we be like, instead of grouping by description, group by description text, group into these following categories. Let's just like name some. See if it's smart enough to figure this out. Like food, transport, work, and play. We'll be able to do that. categorize this, we would need to define some rules. For example, we might say that if the description contains that. Oh, I want it to be like, can you use Chat OpenAI API to ask GPT what category each description belongs in? Is that possible? Yo, Mohammed, you want to upgrade Chat GPT? Yeah. Why, are you asking me to get me to pay? Yo, Durek, thanks for the rose. Okay, so it actually gave us some code to do that, which is pretty good. But it's not going to run it. Oh, this environment doesn't support making requests to external APIs. Damn, okay. What's some other things we could do? What do you say? If you want to upgrade, you can just pay, right? You just go in here. You go my plan. And here it would, if you haven't paid it, you could pay, you press like subscribe or something. Okay. Well, let's just try maybe a public data set. I think Kaggle is a good site that has public data sets. Or there's like the data set subreddit. Data sets. What do we got? Currency exchange rates, New York cars, COVID. Nick, you reckon GPT 3.5 is actually better at coding? That's interesting. I've been using 4 thinking it's better at coding. It's very interesting. I have no good ideas of like what to do with these models. Is there anything on TikTok? TikTok popular songs. What does this look like? I'm thinking like if we just get some data and then we'll just make a graph out of it. Loudness, mode, and key. I don't know. Let's see. We'll just ask ChatGPT to make some graphs from this data, which is pretty vague, but like, I don't know. I'm running out of good ideas, to be honest. I mean, I never really had any to begin with. Okay. Let's try a new thread. Code interpreter. Upload this TikTok songs. Make some graphs with this. Oh, it's not uploading. I might have to extract it. Still not uploading. Oh no, there we go. When you're done, you should check Google TM. I can do that while I send this. Must Mage YouTube asked, do you know anything about man in the middle attacks? Not much. Not enough to like provide my opinion on it. Unfortunately. Mar says, have you seen the free Chat GPT repo? Not sure. Is that GPT for all? Thanks for liking the stream. Teachable machines. Oh yes, I have seen Google's teachable machines. I actually have used that before. It's really good for image classification. I did this back in like 2019, I think, or something. It was pretty good then. Is GPT going to take over? It's slowly taking over some things, but I wouldn't be too concerned of yet. GPT for free? No, I haven't seen that. All right, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make some graphs with this data, and let's have a look at GPT for free. This. Oh, it's like What is this? It's like a library to use GPT for free. That's pretty cool. How many stars does this have? 42,000. Damn. What? Is this legal? What's a legal notice? This repository is for educational purposes only. Okay, seems legal enough. Finish working. There's no graphs. What kind of graphs would you like to see? We could do a histogram of track popularity. Yeah, let's do that. It's fully legal now. A friend of mine made it and helped with it, and you helped with it as well. Oh, cool, Ma. Thanks for contributing that to society. That's really good. I'm sure a lot of people find use of it. I'm sure they already have. It's 42,000 stars. That's awesome. Okay, this is track popularity with the x-axis represents popularity, y represents count of tracks without popularity. Seems most of the songs have a popularity between 70 and 100 with a peak of around 95. Alright, what about a bar plot with the most common keys? Yo, thanks for the follow, Mar. Pretty even thing, but it seems like D sharp is pretty unpopular. Interesting. B is pretty popular. Okay, that's cool. So you can make, just with English prompts, you can get Chat GPT to make graphs and histograms of datasets that you upload. Very cool. Mouse Gnome, Edge GPT is pretty good too. It's a Python library that interacts with Bing's GPT-4 using your cookie. Oh, cool. Thanks for that info. Alright. So I was gonna do ChatGPT functions, but I don't know if I even have access to that. I'll do one more Google. Oh, I need to sneeze. Oh, bless me. How to use ChatGPT functions. If it's a coding thing, I don't know if I can be bothered. Is it function calling? Is that what it is? Let's quickly look at this.
Alright, so like an hour ago, OpenAI announced a new version of the GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 models that include the ability to call functions. So we're going to look at that today. Honestly, this has been like my favorite way of using GPT 3.5 as what we call words.
Yeah, it is with the API.
Okay, so it's not gonna have here. So call OpenAI create chat completion methods. As before, we have our messages. So this is exactly the same as before. I won't go into this. This is an array of messages, right? It's who sent it, what did they say, and then the new thing is this one functions and this one function call. So we have to say function call auto, and that will tell the API, tell the model like, hey, you can either call a function or not. It's up to you. You can also say, I don't want to do any function calls. You can also say, I wanted to call a specific function only. So that's very useful if you're working with a very specific tool that you're building, like I want to check the weather and I only want to check the weather, then you can have. So it's an array, right, of type chat completion functions. What's in here, there's a name, so you give your function a name, you optionally give it a description, and then you give it parameters. Now parameters, this needs to be formatted according to JSON spec. So if you don't know JSON spec, so this is what JSON schema looks like. So you say, well, this is type object, properties, these are my properties, they have a string and they have a description optionally. And you can have some extra stuff like this is an integer with a minimum of 0. That's kind of what it looks like. It's pretty simple. You just need to kind of know how it works. So for this example, I have created a Brave search. So internally I call it tool. I'm gonna change the name now to function so it's more aligned. But so what it looks like, basically, we have a name, we have a description, right? And then we have this parameters thing. So we have type object, properties, query, string, description is the query to search for, right?
So you can literally define any function you want in just like JavaScript, like literally any code you want, and then somehow the OpenAI will be able to invoke your function, right?
Not part of the training data because it's very recent. And I send this. Okay. Let's scroll up and see what's happening here. So this is the response from the OpenAI API. So it says we got a message with the role assistant, which is, the normal messages, but now there's no content. But there is a part here that's called function call. And in my function call, we have name. So that's the name that I passed in at the beginning. And there's arguments, which is a string of a JSON. So here's where you need to be a little bit careful, where OpenAI say, well, it can still hallucinate parameters. It can still give you incorrect JSON. So that's something that you will need to make sure that you catch it in your function or in your own code. So, but it's completely correct. So that's perfect, right? This is the same thing. So now
What's
my
a
code.
prompt? Do they have to prompt something specific to get the function call? It doesn't really show the prompts, does he?
And that will return is, let me just run this. Let me open
Oh no, what is the Apple Vision Pro?
So
That's his prompt.
the message I'm sending is, what's the Apple Vision Pro, which of course is not part of the training data because it's very recent. And I send this. Okay. Let's scroll up and see what's happening here. So this is the response from the OpenAI API. So it says we got a message with the role assistant, which is, the
Yo, Mar on TikTok says they turn their Siri into Chat GPT. How'd you do that? That'd be awesome. I mean, I don't have an iPhone, but if I could get some GPT smarts into my Google Assistant, I'd be probably a lot happier because it seems so outdated now. Hey, like Siri and Google Assistant.
messages, but now there's no content. But there is a part here that's called function call. And in my function call, we have name. So that's the name that I passed in at the beginning. And there's arguments, which is a.
It's pretty cool. So they've pretty much enabled like web search with Chat GPT, or Brave search in this guy's case.
Really simple. So to recap, when you are creating a call to OpenAI, you have to add this thing, function call auto, and you have to add your functions. Your functions need to be, you give it a name, you give it a description, you give it parameters. Parameters is formatted according to JSON schema. Then, when you get the result, you check if the result has this property called function call, which we saw here. And if there's this function call, you check the name. Based on the name, you go look in your code which function it is, and you go parse these arguments, which is a JSON. You just parse it, and then you run your own function.
Very similar to like how Auto GPT works. It's pretty cool.
Then you give it back to the AI.
Unfortunately, don't have like a use case I can think of right now, so I might leave the functions for a little bit and check out Auto Designer by Wizard. McKay Ringley made an instant shortcut. What's that? McKay Ringley instant shortcut. Oh, for ChatGPT replacing Siri. Have a look at it.
Start with Siri. So check out how much better Hey GPT is compared to Siri. So let's start with Siri. What is the Drake equation?
It's so soft.
Okay, so this is pretty useless, doesn't tell us anything. Whatever, we can click a link. Now let's try GPT.
What can I do for you?
What is the Drake equation? It's going to take just a sec because it's got to hit the API, so it's going to be a little bit slower.
The Drake equation is an equation created by astronomer Dr. Frank Drake in 1961 to estimate the number of intelligent...
That's pretty good. Probably should exist for Google Assistant too. Alright, Auto Designer by Wizard. I think this one helps you make UI. Yes, AI UI design. uysart.io/auto designer. uysart wizard? I'm just gonna pronounce it wizard. Wizard Auto Designer. Text to design automated by AI. Use simple text to generate multi-screen mockups for apps, websites with Auto Designer, the latest AI innovation from uysart. Cool, let's sign up. Like Tasker, yeah. Nice. Tasker Dev Jow just released a video on it. Nice. You have to pay for Auto Wizard or Tasker. Yeah, Tasker's paid, but I think it's just a one-off payment, which isn't too bad. Yeah, 350. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. All right. Let's see if this can make a... They all look so nice. Oh, but they're pro web. Oh, here, generate with Auto Designer. Designing this for the web. An app that... Make this bigger for you guys. So I'm going to do it for my app. So it currently looks like this. Can generate timestamps automatically. You paste in a video URL. Let's do an example here. And it gives you timestamps. Do these guys have timestamps? They don't. See, this is awesome. This is my like free way of marketing. Is I go find long podcasts like this that don't have timestamps. I generate the timestamps automatically, right? And then I copy them and I comment them and I'll be like generated by timestampgenius.com. I did that to a video yesterday and I got highlighted on the top video. I mean, on the top comment. How do I open this? Can't open it for some reason. But yeah, hopefully this works for this as well. And this, like, that video got like hundreds of thousands of views. Oh, it's still going? Oh yeah, I just upgraded to GPT-4, so it's a bit slower. This is using something else before. Mar says that's sick. How does it work? It takes the transcript from the video and then uses OpenAI to generate the timestamp. Seems like it's stuck. This video is 2 hours long, is it not? Or is it just an hour 40? Yeah. Oh no, it broke. Unexpected end of... Okay, so apparently there's some issues now with GPT-4. I guess we could try it again. While that's doing that, I'll show you guys the top comment I got from the other. I only upgraded it to GPT-4 this morning. This Centex, I don't know if you guys have seen Centex. He's a really good AI engineer slash content creator. And yeah, I'm the highlighted post here with timestamps, created with timestampgenius.com. How did I get GPT-4 API? I literally just asked and they gave it to me the day after. There's like, if you go GPT-4 API waitlist or something, if you Google that, yeah. Google GPT-4 API waitlist. Oh no, that's not it. What the hell? This one? This one. Wait, what? On July 6th, we gave all API users who have a history of successful payments to GPT-4. Wait, what? Hold on. I found like a waitlist button, GPT-4 API. Maybe you don't search waitlist. Here, no? Where is it? Did they change it? I feel like they changed the site. Recently. I don't know. I found like some form that I filled in. That's how I got it. Yeah, all good. Damn, this GPT-4 is... Oh, it's got some bugs. That's sad. I really want to fix this. Am I still running this locally? No. Okay. That's all good. I can show you guys the code for this. And we'll also see why it's failing. So this is the code base. I've written this with Next.js. So I'll run this locally now. And we'll have a look at why it's failing. Hopefully I'll get a nice log here. Logs. Honestly, like for this task, GPT-4 didn't really outperform DaVinci that well at all. So if this fails and I don't really know a quick way to fix it, I might just revert back to DaVinci. Seems like it's not failing this time, which is interesting. Oh, there we go. Okay, what's this error? It doesn't give an error message. Oh, here we go. Request failed with 429. What does that mean? 429 HTTP error. Too many requests. Yo, they rate limit you with GPT-4 API? Oh, I didn't know that. That makes some sense, I guess. All right, we're going to revert back to DaVinci. Revert commit. I did not know that they limited the GPT-4 API rate limit. That seems like a pretty low rate limit as well. How many did we do? 1, 2, 3, I don't know, like 20 in a minute. All right, we'll just run this with DaVinci. Mar says, have you seen iOS 16 might include automatic captcha solving? Oh my god, that's funny. No, I didn't see that. That is funny. I wonder what the next captcha thing is. Have you guys seen is it Sam Altman? I think he's creating it. The proof of personhood. I think that's like something I'm bullish on. Proof of personhood. Yeah, WorldCoin. That seems to be the future of like proving you're a human. It's like a big orb that like scans your iris. Yeah, this. It's like some freaking future shit, dude. They do. I was getting limited after 5 requests a minute. Damn, that's shit ass, dude. I think like, I don't know, I haven't used them yet, but like Anthropic, is that the one? I should maybe start using them, or like Stability, instead of relying on GPT. What's their product? Claude. Apparently they have a context length of like 100,000 tokens or some shit. Here, look at this, 100,000 context window. What? That's okay. I feel like I need to use that. Is it public? I don't know. Add to Slack. Submit. It doesn't seem like it's public. Still very interesting though. All right, we got all our timestamps. Okay. Boom. 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 Check that out, guys.
So he goes to work on AI, and I
This
decided,
is sick.
like,
I can just do a lot of their videos. Is that the only video they have? Wow. That's cool. Got 50,000 views in 4 days. Very cool stuff. All right. What did I have next on the to-do? Definitely still gonna get bypassed. Bypass is gonna bypass. You think the iris thing is gonna be like bypassed? Like fake iris? I don't even know how that would work, but yeah, for sure. It's always an arms race, right? Right? It's always an arms race. Auto designer, what happened to this? Oh yeah. An app that can generate timestamps for long YouTube videos and podcasts. It works by having the user input the URL for the YouTube video. It can also generate video titles. The user can, what other things should I add? Can adjust parameters like length of chapters, etc. Describe the design style. Modern tech startup. Dark. Techie. Modern. Generate. Oh, you gotta pay. You were right. How much is it? $12 a month. Surely you'd let me do one for free, dude. Come on. Alright, let's just see. Let's just see if there's any YouTube videos of people using this. Months ago. 2 months ago. 2 years ago. Alright, let's try this one.
I cannot believe that I just wrote a text prompt. The style that it described is cyber and techie. So let's click generate my project and see what happens. Here are our designs. And so if you've never been inside of Wizard before, it's very similar to other UI design apps that you might be familiar with, like Figma. It's got some controls over here for your design parameters and shapes and basic elements, and then all of these different components that were also generated based on this concept. And so there are 3 screens here: the home, the search, and the order status. And as you can see, they're not that bad for being generated by AI. So if we zoom in a little bit here, you'll see that we've got the images.
Did I do another example? If I was a UI designer, I'd definitely pay for this, but in my case right now, I'm just very skeptical that it would be of value to me. Otherwise, $12 for unlimited screens is an amazing deal. Like, instead of paying a UI designer, you can just pay $12 to get unlimited screens. Like, what? Seems really good. Oh, and that's if you get the yearly. If you pay monthly, it's $19. Still pretty good. Still pretty good, but I'm probably going to give it a pass at this stage. All right, so we had someone on TikTok mention a bunch of tools. Shout out to Skynet. They said Dream AI by Wombo, Typo, speech to captions generator, Restyle AI, Prequel, Bong, Clone AI. Okay, Dream AI by Wombo. Let's go through these one by one. Please check this out. What do you want me to check out, Nick? Create more with Dream. Unlimited fun with the best AI app. Oh, this is just like a text to image. That's okay. We don't need to go through that. There's a lot of those. People have seen those all the time, unless they do something unique, but they haven't really said what they can do that's unique. So I might just skip that one. Typo speech to captions. Typo speech to captions. Didn't come up. Typo? Create videos as you speak. Download typo, record a voice. I don't really feel like downloading it, but like, see if someone's done a review already on YouTube. You can't copy and paste links. Yeah, I don't know what TikTok does, but you can paste it on YouTube or something if you want, Nick. YouTube, Twitch, Kick. Random tools, find.com, a GPT-4 programming helper with search. Cool, Noas. I'll check it out right now. Find.com. Your personal search-enabled coding agent. Describe your technical task in detail. What are you stuck on? Oh, sick. Wait, you get free access to GPT-4 with this? What are we stuck on, guys? Using... Okay, here's something that... okay, now using GPT functions to create... To ensure words are less... To ensure sentences are less than 10 words. I don't know. It seems kind of simple. Wait, are these... Does GPT use functions? Like GPT function count words. Cannot count words. This is stupid. Alright, typo. Let's see.
Check this out.
What does it take to make an effective and
engaging learning video.
About paint on.
So I came across this app while I was
That's
scrolling.
pretty cool. Oh, it's a mobile app?
Tory set with this kind of style to grab people's attention and engage them and make them want to learn more about what you're going to teach them.
That's pretty cool. This tool would actually be used like just like every word it changes the
Check this out.
What does it take?
changes the background. That's very cool. I could probably use that in my videos as well. Yo, underscore, what am I doing? I'm checking out some... Yo, thanks for the heart as well. I'm checking out some AI tools as I normally do on stream. This was Typo speech to captions generator. It's more like speech to video generator. It's pretty cool. I probably won't demo it right now, but it's nice to check out. The Owner Find. Oh, you know the Owner Find? They're pretty cool. It's only like 3 guys. 3 guys of 21? Oh, they're 21 years old. Phrase it by starting how to. How to. Okay, should we get find another try? People are hyping it up. How to crop an input video at different how do I say this? Like YouTube video, just input video at different sections and stitch them back together. How to build software to in a vertical format, horizontal video. Okay, so I've also how to build, is that what they've said? How to build software to crop and input horizontal video at different sections and stitch them. Is that how you spell stitch? I don't know, there's no back together in a vertical format. It suggests OpenCV and Python. It's pretty cool. It's like so fast as well. I really like this kind of step-by-step tutorial format for coding as well. They have a play button? What does that do? It actually... Oh, you can run it on Replit. Oh, that's awesome. So it's kind of like having a notebook inside your tutorial with Replit, which is like this cloud-based IDE. And then that's it. Pretty cool. Nick, I don't know if the link was pasted on my YouTube. Hold on. Nick's trying to link me something on YouTube, but I don't think it worked. Pasted on. Yeah, no, see, you said here's the link and then it's not there. Maybe my Discord? It'll definitely work in Discord. I'm opening up Discord, so if you want to paste it there, I can have a look. Well, it says click the regenerate button and it'll switch to GPT-4. Where's the regenerate button? I don't see a regenerate button. Mention the language. Say in JavaScript. You mean the legacy button? Oh, use best model. Oh, that button. It needs a login. Sign in with GitHub, and then I have to 2FA. Ooh, but we just docs their GitHub. What's this? Yeah. Restyle AI. Yeah, login is way better than paying. I'd do it if it was a Google login because like it's just like 2 buttons. But with GitHub, I have to like 2-factor. It's a bit annoying. At least I think I do. Oh, I've seen this restyle one. Yeah, a lot of people have been using this. I don't think it's. Oh, it's an app, a free app. Oh, sweet. Or freemium at least. It's not expensive, but there is definitely probably some limits on what you can do with the free version. Prequel? What's that? Photo and video editor. Another mobile app. What about Bong AI? Sounds like some paraphernalia. Bong AI video maker. Oh, this looks quite crap, the UI, at least. Alright, another one of those. Alright, clone AI. Voice cloning. With 3 minutes of data. We'll clone your voice for free. That sounds fun. There's like someone that does this. Have you seen those Reddit videos on TikTok? Which Reddit videos? Oh, the ones where it's like automatically generated and they like text to speech or Reddit thread. Yeah, I have seen those. Yo, Nick sent it on Discord. Let's see. AI agents continue to amaze me. This GPT-4 coding assistant learned how to build apps with authenticated users. Let's have a look.
Hey everybody, it's McKay. I'm back. At this point, this is just kind of our weekly Jarvis
Can build
demo.
and design a web
So
app,
I've added
create a backend with a
two
working
things. One big one,
database.
authentication, and
Upload
two,
code to GitHub and deploy to Vercel.
front end
Wow.
system can handle a little bit more. No users in here. We're just running down the line here. Vercel is clean. Then my GitHub is clean. By the way, Code 1 VS Code extension coming soon. It's not related to the Jarvis thing, but
I should use my main email for these, so. Well, it's like not my main email, but it is an email I use for pretty much everything except
so
like
here. Let's run this
personal stuff. But even
run Jarvis.
Let it run amok.
Yes?
Oh, Jarvis. Yeah, I've
Need a
seen
new
this
app.
Jarvis. What about?
Okay, creating your new app.
Should be checking with us to make sure it builds what we want. See, guys, the prompt is never perfect yet. Still working.
Oh, this app isn't even open source? True. But does he sell it or something? Is there a link to it? No. It's just his personal site. Me vibing with a snowman. Okay. Yeah, probably would have taken a lot of effort. For sure. Start using Mastodon, Auto GPT. I think I'm gonna do Auto GPT now. Oh, actually, cloning my voice. I forgot about that. 2 days waiting time, bro. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, Auto GPT. It's been so long since we've used this. But wait, what is this? This isn't it. But yeah, they released a new version 2 weeks ago. And I have GPT-4 access now. So I think it could be pretty good. I'll just download this release. Let's have a play. Let's have a play. Let me see, where should I put it? A new folder. All right. I guess I'll open this in VS Code. Okay. These to take archive. Okay. Okay. GPT-4. How do we run this again? Where's Chrome? Extend another Discord link which lets you run Jarvis in the browser. Oh, Agent GPT. Yeah, I've run Agent GPT before. I mean, I'm sure they're a lot better now too. Platformer GPT. That's cool. But yeah, I think like Auto GPT would be more capable at the moment because it'll have access to my file system and whatnot. Quick start. Check out the wiki. Oh, I need to get my API key, of course. Quickly create one. Vision our mission. How do we get started? Just follow this. Download latest release. Follow the install instructions. Docker. No, was without Docker. Oh, we need to create an N file. No, they said they've added the prompt, so I'm hoping we don't need the N file. Yes, this is what we're gonna do. Pip install. Okay. So I think I can do there's like a Conda create with a Python version. Oh, I missed it. Here, Conda create Auto GPT 0.4 Python equals Python 3.8. Okay. Boom. Oh, I didn't even know live chat was actually a live light you can move. I thought it was an overlay. Yeah, this one is actually just a window from Tick Tock Studio. So I'm using this Windows app called Tick Tock Studio. Or TikTok Live Studio, sorry. And yeah, you can pop out the live chat. It's a bit annoying because I can't make it bigger. I think the text is too small. But it's better than nothing. I could use an overlay, but this is fine. What do I call this? Auto GPT 0.4. Nice. Pip install. Pip 3 install. What do they say? Pip 3 install upgrade pip. Pip 3 install upgrade pip. Underscore asks, what's the best tool you use that gives you code? Just for giving code or like running the code as well? I don't know. I normally just use GPT-4, honestly, but was it Nick said GPT 3.5 is actually better than GPT-4 at running code, or at least faster? I don't know. I'm not really good at saying either way. Otherwise, there's like fine-tuned models for code, but like in my experience, hasn't even been that good. I think if you go to Open API Playground, they have Codex. I think, right? You can go load a preset, explain code. I don't know. Somehow you can get Open API Codex, which is meant to be fine-tuned for code. But you have to use code for that. Yeah, I don't know. I doubt it's even that better anyway. Nice, you got accepted to GitHub Copilot X chat on the 19th of May. That's a while ago. Requirement's already satisfied. Oh, sweet. And then run.bat. Okay. Run.bat. Boom. Oh, so the requirements weren't satisfied. Whatever. Well, it's been a while since I've used Auto GPT. This is going to be fun. We're going to see. I reckon Auto GPT can make the snake game. Yeah, we have Miles on. Is it still going? On my Discord asking me a question. I'd be like, yes, my Chat GPT Plus expires tomorrow. I skipped implementing functions, but it looked cool. Error. Where? Successfully installed this. Where's the error? Type. Wait, what? The hell is this? Type error. What is this run.bat? Find the Python command. Otherwise run Python -m Auto GPT. Is that all it is? What? Wait. Doesn't have to be a relative name. Right? Uh-huh. Alright, what about Python 3? Python was not found. Okay. What version of Python did they want us to run? They don't say. .1 or later, yeah. What are we using? Oh, what the fuck? It's bugged. Hold the phone. Bro, why can't I? Wow. Okay. Maybe that's not how you get Python version. Is it Python-V? It is. Yeah, 3.8. That's what I thought. What are people saying? Okay, why? What was the error? Should I just Google the error? Type object is not subscriptable. What does that even mean, bro? You convert the integer to something that's iterable. Where? Conda rise schema.py. Is it here? We have a schema.py? We do. In the core. Line 8. There is no line 8. Wonder why this is bugged. It's Auto GPT? Yes, it is, Toji. Okay, there's someone with the exact same error on their GitHub. In case it helps, here's the output of my pip list, same Python version. Seems like it's missing that. I had this issue with solved by updating to the newest Python. Okay. How do I get out of this? Like that? Did I not spell it right? Deactivate. Okay. Update Python Windows. What do I use? Choco. I don't know if that's what I use, but I'm gonna try using that. Seems like it's like brew. I don't know if that's even how that can be. Oh, you just gotta download there. Okay, that's fine. Do that. It's very Windows of them. It just feels so like disgusting not using a CLI to do like Python installs and shit. Someone's calling me, bro. Yo, chat. Dude, that's so annoying. Wait, what? How? As if I haven't muted that. There we go. Okay, that makes sense. All right. 3.10. I swear I installed 3.11. Wait, what? What just happened? How did I? How did I what? Wait, can I do this? Is there a Conda destroy? How do I delete a thing I made? Conda remove. Right? Remove Auto GPT 0.4. And then package is not found. I just want a package thing. Removes a list of packages. You can't destroy an environment. Weird. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I'll just try create it again, but with 3.11. What would happen? Conda remove -- name. env name dash dash all. Okay. Thanks, mouse. Well, I've tried to just create one with the same name. I wonder what will happen. Let's see what Python version we're working with here. 3.11. Excellent. Okay, so we'll just run bat.py. Oh, oh, oh. There is no bat. Oh, I mean, it's not .py, but bat.sh. Oh, it's run.bat, of course. Silly me. Silly me. Run.bat. Soon we will have Auto GPT. I knew it wouldn't be easy to install, but it wasn't too hard either. Too hard either. Is creating all these virtual environments, how does it work in terms of like storage of the libraries? Does it have to download every single library for every environment, even if it's the same library, or is it like Yarn where there's like symlinks and it saves on space? I'm not a Python pro, but I'd hope it's the latter. You'd think Conda's smart enough to do that, right? Like, it's created by like super smart programming people, so yeah. Please set your API key. Okay, I hope this doesn't dox it. I still have mine. No! I just got rid of it. Didn't show it. It didn't work. ANSI Forge has no object orient. Alright. Give me a minute, guys. I gotta paste this in my environment. Probably not the issue, but we're gonna do it. Getting this and file. Childish is us. Wait, hold on. There's a bunch of things. It does use symlinks. The only issue is minor releases of huge libraries. Yes. Childish is us. Is there a way I can connect this to a Twitter account? Every time someone tweets, I can quickly buy the option. Connect. That's definitely possible, depending on like if your exchange or whatever has an API for you to buy the option automatically. Where can I find the Lucas AI website? The video creator busy. That one was IDMO. Here, this one. IDMO. IDOMOO.ai. Is that the one you meant? Mel says I ended up with 40 gigabytes of PyTorch across environments. Yeah. So like yeah, when one library makes a little thing and you update in one environment, you've like pretty much cloned the 400 gigabytes, bro. I don't even have 400 gigabytes. That's insane. Yo, Memory Manager, thanks for the follow. And thanks for the like, iHarfa. I'm just sorting out my OpenAPI key in this end file. And then I will switch back my... Oh my god, I've like created 3 keys. And I keep like removing it. But this time it'll work. No. I think there's still going to be an error after I fix this as well anyway, so there is that. Okay, I've put it in. I've made the end file. Oh my god, my neck hurts from looking at that monitor so long. And then I run run.bat. And hopefully we don't get an error, but I think we will. Oh, we didn't get an error. Excellent. We got Auto GPT. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna make this small because it makes it easier to do the thing. What's the thing that it's easier to do? Crop it for TikTok. That's the one. Yo, actually, I have an idea. I want to see if I can do a vertical stream. Wait. Stream. I think I can do a vertical stream. I don't know if it'll switch. Hold on, let me figure this out. This is OBS. I'll make myself smaller so it doesn't distract. How the frick? Okay. Wait. Oh, it should be this. Yes. Okay. And then I go tools. No. Scene selection. No. Where was I? View. No. Docs. Yes. Vertical scenes. Okay. Yes, we have a vertical scene. Vertical source. Yes. And is there like a vertical view? Vertical. Okay. Okay. This. Okay, hold on. This needs to be like this. Need me to be smaller and up here. I think. Right. And then I don't know how this looks. Like if I take this to the bottom, I think that's an issue. You should check out GitHub Copilot X chat. Do I have to sign up for that? Let me have a check. GitHub Copilot X. Isn't it also paid? That shit's so cool. Yeah, join the waitlist. I mean, I'll join the waitlist. Wait, no, wait. Is that something else? Where is that? Just Copilot. Sign up for the technical preview. Join the waitlist. Yeah. I think it's all the same link, right? Wait, no, it's different. Copilot for docs? It is different. I think I want this one. GitHub chat waitlist. Yes, sign up for a free trial. You do have to pay. I don't know, not yet. I'll get it some other time. What was I doing before? Oh yes, the vertical scene. I don't know if this means then the TikTok stream will end either, but I think having a vertical scene would make, I don't know, I just want to try it out anyway. Should we try it like that? Give me a sec. I'm gonna check my stream. Okay, my stream. There is text at the bottom. So it is like I need to do it opposite. Put me at the bottom because it's less important to see me. Oh my god. Important to see the chat. I mean whatever you call this. The main window. Alright. So now what I think I can do. Charlie's house. So how can I connect Chat GPT to the Twitter so when it tweets I can buy options? Do you know how to code? You just use the OpenAI's completion API along with the Twitter API, or like a web scraping thing API. Oh, library. All right, I'm gonna try switch over to vertical stream on TikTok. My apologies if it breaks everything, but just bear with me. But he is a private Twitter. Can you get? You might be able to get private Twitter accounts with the TikTok API. I mean the Twitter API. I'm not sure. Okay. What happened now? Okay, now it's really big. Oh yeah, I have to end the oh, let me switch back. I have to end. Actually, you guys can see me. I'm gonna end the TikTok stream, but then restart it. I'm sorry if that ruins things, but I want to try out a vertical stream. So yeah, give me your feedback if you guys pop on. It'll be like 2 seconds. Oh, maybe I can pause it. Actually, does that work? No. Oh, I can probably show this on. Never mind. All right. Um. Taking longer than I should. Would have thought display capture. Is it display capture? No, it's not. Oh, the phone. I think I can just go live anyway, right? Even though I haven't set it up. And we're live without the setup of me. Okay. Hold on. Add the camera. Oh, it's a camera, of course. Yes. No. What? Must be. Hold on. Oh my sound's still working. Okay, that's good. That's good at least. Dude, why isn't this vertical? What? No, that's sad. This is even the wrong screen. What? This makes no sense. Oh, that's that. I'm so confused. Hold the phone. Actually, we can keep that. That's fine. Oh, here we go. Yes. Progress. No. Anti-progress. That should be it, bro. The frick? Oh, wait. No. Man, that's so sad. That's sad, dude. I tried to stream, like, I have this vertical scene in OBS. That I tried to, like, make the TikTok stream vertical, but I ended up just, like, it didn't work. I'm in the settings here. I've changed the output type to the vertical scene. It doesn't change it. I don't think any of the scenes work. Like, if I change this to 1080p screen. Oh, that worked. What? Something wrong with this vertical scene then. Why? Okay, maybe it's one of these buttons. Stream vertical, record vertical, vertical virtual camera. Oh shit, was that it? If I stop this. Oh, wait a sec. That could be it. Why does it look so weird, bro? That's it though. It's just stretched AF. I think, hold on. I think it's the format. Oh my god. Why don't I use OBS to stream to TikTok? Because TikTok doesn't give a stream key. So it's like, I'm pretty sure it's impossible without a stream key. Unless you do it the way I used to do it from my MacBook, which is streaming from OBS to YouTube and then getting a Windows computer to stream the YouTube stream. Well, let me like change the stretch. Oh, this is so messed up. I hate how it forces a resolution on you, like an aspect ratio. So what if I remove it and add it again? Otherwise, we can just go back to the horizontal stream. That would be fine. Yeah, I'm sorry guys for doing that. Yo, Doshi. Is that the Saudi Satoshi? Sorry, bro. You've tuned in at a inconvenient time. I'm gonna restream. I'm gonna have to turn off the stream and turn it back on. Alternatively, what if I do this? Wait, hold on. I got an idea. If I just do this. This. And then how do I get my head? By, well, sorry. Adding another thing. Yo, Anatepes, my stream is about testing AI tools. I'm going to be testing Auto GPT really soon, but I've just messed up my whole stream setup. So I'm just fixing that. Pretty much. Yeah, so just bear with me. If you want, ask any questions. I'm a software engineer. I love technology and AI. I'll try to help out best I can. We kind of have two of the same source. Oh shit. Alright, that's sad. Okay, ask GPT how to fix it. No, I'm just gonna go back to landscape mode. Sorry guys. Let's see if anyone's asked any questions before I do. Is there any courses where I can learn how to give correct prompts? Says Atanepes. I think there's like, oh, there's a few. There's so many. There's like a Chrome extension you can use, and there's like prompt best prompt. There's like a website that has like a database or like examples. Can't remember what it was. Prompt base, prompt hero maybe. But this is for, yeah. I don't know. I can't recommend any good ones. I haven't used any, but there's definitely, it's out there. After you're done with all of this, check Discord. Yes, sir. Okay. This is the third and final time. Well, the second and final time I restart the stream. Apologies. Where was my... There we go. No, that's not it. Yeah, this must be it. Okay. Why is this so difficult now? Okay. Surely. Why isn't this working? It is. I don't know what difference that makes. Okay. Oh my god, why is it like that? Yo, this shit bugging out, bro. Is it because it's the wrong type? Oh my god, what is that? Okay, that seems to have fixed it. Alright. That was annoying. That was really annoying. I wish I never tried to go vertical. That definitely took way too long. Okay. Oh my god. Martha, check Discord. Let me check Discord. What are we saying here? If you go on TikTok on your phone and go live, it says cost on Mac PC. What? Oh, if it says that. Yeah, but mine doesn't. Let's see. Like, actually, does it even have the option? I'm pretty sure I've like checked every possible way to do this, but I can't even get to that option while I'm on live. These. Oh, is this GitHub Copilot as well? Yeah, this is a cool image. How do I code an entire UI for a program in Node.js? Nice. All right, we'll let some people join before I go into Auto GPT. Oh, I can set a countdown. Should I set a countdown? Because I need to go take a quick break as well. But yeah, we'll do an Auto GPT countdown. Yo, Kimoji, I'm running Auto GPT version 0.4.3. I'm gonna get it to try build a snake game. In like 10 minutes. Dude, is it flashing? You guys see that? My TikTok is glitching out occasionally. Okay, it's not doing it too often. I think it just did it. Yeah, did you see that? What the hell? What is that? What is that? I might restart OBS. I'll keep TikTok on though. But I feel like TikTok's glitching out for me. And I think it's because of OBS. It doesn't do it too often. Maybe we'll just keep it. Keep the little glitch. It adds to it. Yeah, okay, I'll keep it. I will keep it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this up with a countdown and then we'll begin. Leave my Discord open. Put this here. And then on OBS, I'm gonna create. Can you create a countdown in OBS? No, but what you can do is do it on Google, right? Set 10-minute timer. Yeah, sick. All right. And then, dude, I'm gonna just watch this. We're turning this Google timer into my own website in less than 2 minutes. First, we delete this. Then, where is this? We delete this. And then, wait, we Control Z. We delete this. And then, can you add elements? Oh, man. All right. And then we go clear. And then we go clear button. And then we go $, bracket open, dot this, dot first one, dot inner HTML equals H1 asking Auto GPT 0.4 version 0.4 to build snake 0.4.3. Close the H1 tag and boom, didn't work. God damn it. Did it make the inner HTML that? No. Oh, damn. I was hoping that would work. Well, inner text, not inner HTML. Surely. I don't think that'll work either. That'll just place the text, right? Yeah, damn. Am I even selecting the right element? I'm only going to spend 2 more minutes on this before I leave. No, I'm not. That's probably the issue. Okay, so I need the first one. Let's see. Okay, what if it was inner HTML? God damn it. Close enough. Make this big. Font size 3 REM. Width 100%. Text align center. All right. Remove this shit as well. Boom. Can we center align this, or is that just too much work? Oh, you can. Oh, dude. Boom. I just made a website in 2 minutes. All right. I'll be back in 6 minutes 40. Peace. Yo, yes, yo, Tech. I've checked this before. Pretty sure I don't get it. Yo, checked this before. Pretty sure I don't. I've been watching the stream from my phone, and it's definitely doing that glitch thing a lot. Where do you get the key? Can you get it here? Yo, shout out Fireteller, my first sub. So cool. Oh, I can actually see their profile. Give them a follow. But yeah, anyway, I was gonna ask Auto GPT to build Snake. The ultimate test for an AI agent. Can they build Snake? I'm gonna restart the YouTube and everything else by restarting my OBS. Oh, I made it sound well. So, because it keeps, like, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sure you can, but it keeps doing like a little TV static kind of thing on my virtual camera. So, yeah, I'll be back on in like 2 seconds on that. TikTok, I'll still... No, actually, you won't be able to see me. You'll see a black screen. But you can't see anything? What do you mean you can't see anything? What do you mean, Nick? Is it black completely? Hold on. You won't be able to see anything now. I'm gonna start this. Yo, if you guys can like the live as well, let's get it